Hello everyone, this is Aloha Robert. I am doing a room tour of this place. I have a suite. I got the sofa right there. I got the entertainment. I got this coffee table with the little chair. Another chair with the working desk and with the lamp. My room is upstairs. I have to climb up. It's pretty much cool. Here's the background of the city. I got this awesome microwave oven with some cups, ice bucket, and then I got this meeting fridge. Oh, cool. With the iron. Oh boy, cool. There's nothing there, so let's check over here. I got the toilet, the bathtub, some good old-fashioned towels, tissues. I even got a hair dryer, cool. Amenities, toilet paper, a little trash can. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's another stuff. Amenities. This one right there, folks. Wow, cool. Ooh, what a nice flat TV. I like the way it looks. Man, it's really sharp. Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the table with the chair and lamp. Wow, pretty cool. Let's go upstairs, folks. Wow, another bathroom. Two of them. I got my personal safe, the rack to put your clothes right there. Whatever you want to put, that's up to you. Again, a nice bathtub. Oh, wow, it's nice. And this is so neat. I love the way they put the towels. Bathroom is nice and clean. The toilet, I got more of the same. The tissues right there. You know, the good old fashioned sink. And then I got the hair dryer again. Second time in a row. Cool. Okay, now I have a little closet where you could put your, or not put your stuff, hang your shirts or your suits, whatever, jackets, whatever you have. And then we're going to this room, this nice room. It's nice and cozy. Ooh, look at that. With the picture, I got the headboard, blanket, pillows, as you can see. Wow, everything is right there. Cool. I even got a personal phone. Another TV. Whoa, how nice. Wow. And with the lamp, very good. You need to have two of them to brighten up your room. You don't want a dark room, even though one light is not good enough, but two lights is better. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a view from downstairs. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, have a nice day. Aloha. Take care. Bye.